everyone, welcome back to Pictory. Today I'm going to show you how I made this marble candle. Is what I would be saying if I didn't already send it to Kelly. So let me show you a picture. I chose this cool octagon-shaped jar as I thought it would help create the marble rock effect. I started by measuring out the wax. I used the fill your container twice method, which seems to work well. I stuck my wick to the middle of the jar, then melted the wax. Here's a cool time lapse for you guys. Once the wax cooled down enough, I added the fragrance oil. I chose white sage and sea salt because who the heck knows what the rock smells like? Let me know in the comment section what scent would you use for rocks. Once the fragrance oil was mixed in properly, I poured most of the wax into the jar. I left a small amount so I could mix in the grey colouring. I had to reheat the wax slightly more so the grey bits would melt all the way. I waited until the wax in the jar started to solidify slightly. Then spooned on the grey wax and mixed it in with a wooden dowel. I have to admit this step is barely noticeable on the finished product. Oh I guess it's the journey that matters, not the destination. Anyway, it wasn't all lost because I also added black liquid dye to replicate the marble effect. I added the black lines to the sides and on the top too. And all that's left is to let it cure. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I wouldn't be a real YouTuber if I didn't ask you to be subscribed.